Focus Tech is a neutral post-close escrow alternative that streamlines capital control for private lenders and family offices using segregated custody and lender-directed workflows via Wells Fargo. Escrow closes transactions. It was never built to manage post-close funds for weeks or months. Focus Tech is neutral post-close clearing, segregated custody, lender-directed controls, and an audit-ready trail. Powered by Wells Fargo. Your funds stop living on escrow time. Built for private and asset-based lenders, family offices, and high-volume real estate developers managing holdbacks, reserves, and construction draws. If your operations are waiting on escrow to move money, you're paying for delays you didn't order. Onboarding starts with a short fit check. We map your current flow. Then we configure permissions, approvals, and reporting to match your operating style. Same process you trust today, just structured, trackable, and free. Next, you launch a workflow for a deal or portfolio. Funds sit in segregated custody, separated and tracked, not commingled. That gives you clean separation, clear authority, and immediate visibility from day one. Your team creates the sub-account instantly. You request escrow to wire the proceeds. And once funds land, they're visible inside the system and ready for lender-directed movement, governed by the approvals and permissions you set. No escrow gatekeepers, no business hour choke points, no more fees. From there, your team directs disbursements, construction draws, holdback releases, vendor payments, transfers, whatever your process requires. Every action follows your controls, and every movement is logged. Who requested it, who approved it, what documents supported it, and when it happened. Reporting is straightforward. Balances, activity history, and documents tied to each movement. Instead of chasing updates, you have a clean, auditable record from start to finish, built for real operations held for the 7-year period required in most states. If you manage post-close funds today, this is a 10-minute fit check. We'll map your current flow and show the exact clearing workflow inside Focus. Text Jack at 877-679-6879 to book a call. That's all from me today. I'm Jill with Focus Tech, and I'll catch you on the next one.